Hi, this is Heather from foodlovinfamily.com. Today we're going to be making tartar sauce. It's super easy, you just need a few simple ingredients, nice and creamy, perfect for fish, shrimp, all kinds of things. So let's grab our ingredients and get started. Okay, today we're going to make some super easy tartar sauce. You don't need to buy it at the store because you can make it at home so easily. It's great with any kind of seafood like fish sticks, fish, shrimp, you name it. So let's get started. All we need is a cup of mayonnaise. I'm using just regular old mayonnaise. You could use low fat if you wanted to, but the fuller fat definitely gives it more flavor. Okay, so that's 1 cup of mayonnaise. Next, we're going to add in some dill pickles. These are actually just dill pickle spears that I cut up really small. You could also use pickle relish if you like. And I've included about 2 tablespoons of the actual pickle juice. Then I'm going to add in some capers. These give the tartar sauce a nice crunch. We're going to add in some lemon juice, just some fresh lemon juice. I'll give it a nice squeeze. About a tablespoon of lemon juice. And then I like to add in chopped parsley. You could also add in dill if you prefer that. We're just going to sprinkle in some chopped parsley. Now we're just going to give it a good mix. And then we will put it in the refrigerator and let all the flavors come together, and it will be ready to be served.